Hello, good afternoon everybody. Today's lunch I am going to make chote aloo with matar, a very delicious matar aloo ki sabji along with the puri. This will be my lunch today and a katori of curds. Now to make this chote aloo and matar ki sabji, I am going to peel the potatoes and give slits all over so that the masala seeps into the potatoes. Then I need tomatoes. I need ginger, garlic and just a small piece of onion and 3 tomatoes and a katori full of peas. And the spices that I will need will be, I usually use mutton masala that gives a nice aroma to any vegetable. Then I need dhania powder, jeera powder, roasted jeera powder, haldi, namak and a little bit of garam masala. Then I will need cream, a few kaju, kishmish and water to make the gravy. I am going to make this sabji in desi ghee and in a cooker because it will be faster. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee and first fry these potatoes on slow fire. While these are getting fried on slow fire, keep on stirring it from time to time. I will make the masala. I will grind to paste the masala. I am grinding to paste ginger, garlic, onion and tomatoes. While the potatoes are getting roasted in ghee, I have taken a few spices which I will be adding later on to the masala. This is meat masala, namak, mirchi, red chili powder, the dege one, and jeera, dhania and haldi. I have added half a teaspoon of meat masala also to this, which you get in the market. You get nice meat masala in the market. I have added half a teaspoon to give it all the aromas. While the potatoes are getting ready, I am going to grind this kajus, a handful of kajus and a handful of kishmish to paste and keep. They are slowly getting ready. Let them brown, then I'll remove them. I have removed them. Now in the same ghee, I am going to roast the masalas. Roast this until it gets roasted nicely and leaves the sides, and you can see the ghee. Then add all the spices that I have kept in the cup. I have added all the spices and I am going to roast for some more time. Now I will add the peas. I will add the potatoes also and roast it for another 3 to 4 minutes on slow flame. See, it's giving nice aroma all over the house. Everybody is asking me kya pak raha hai. Now I will add the kaju and kishmish paste. I have added kaju kishmish paste. I am going to roast it another 2-3 minutes. All the cooking has to be done with lot of love and patience. So we have to do all this on a medium flame. There is no need to hurry up and do it on a high flame. Now I will add water, 1 cup, and in case you need more gravy, you can put 2 cups and give it 2 steams. I have added water, 1.5 cup I have added to make little more gravy. Now I am going to give it 2 steams by closing the lid. After 2 steams, reduce the flame for another 2-3 minutes and then put off the gas. Reduce the flame and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes and then put off the gas. Now open the lid and add 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. And Decorate it, garnish it with chopped dhania patta. So my मटर आलू की सब्जी with छोटे आलू, very delicious, lovely, yummy. Your family will lick their fingers when they eat this. Is ready to serve. I'm going to serve this with नाचनी के आटे की पूरी, or I will make chapati, whatever the family members want. Please try this recipe. It is a very yummy recipe, not very difficult to make, simple recipe, and all the things are usually available in the house, whatever I have added to the vegetable. And do like, subscribe, comment, share on my video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Amita Bagai from Amita Bagai's Amazing Kitchen signing out. Thank you so much. This is मटर आलू की सब्जी, छोटे seasonal आलू, and it is a very yummy gravy. You will love it. Thanks a lot. My very healthy, delicious lunch is ready. छोटे आलूओं की, मटर आलू की सब्जी along with kaju and cream. So I've made it a little heavy. I'm sorry about that. You can walk a little miles in the evening. And curd and nachni ki roti to balance all the proteins and vitamins. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. My very healthy, delicious lunch is ready. छोटे आलूओं की, मटर आलू की सब्जी along with kaju and cream. So I've made it a little heavy. I'm sorry about that. You can walk a little miles in the evening. And curd and nachni ki roti to balance all the proteins and vitamins. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.